Hello guys. We now onwards we only speak English and this is Mr. Sajid M.A. Come on, what? CBSE rocket. Who is that? This is CBSE rocket.
You also CBSE rocket.
This is
Kerala
Patatil Mallu. Patatil LPS.
Kerala rocket.
State rocket. This is state rocket. This is state rocket. Half state rocket and half CBSE rocket. Full state rocket. Full CBSE.
We also have
Mixed rocket. Full rocket. Here we come in Greenfield Stadium. Today lot of work going. Light that is changing. Light is off. So no see.
Playing.
So many English kids are playing here. My flash is not going there. Football. Yes, come on bro. Okay, we all Kerala Blasters.
Don't.
We also Kerala players. The English bro. English. What? Bro, come on, speak.
Bro, come on, English, come on.
Bro, we and the players, okay, all good.
Come on, man.
Anwar, what about Kerala football team and their kids?
It's fantabulous.
Fabulous. Fantastic.
We two mix and say together.
This is not English. What is this?
This is mixing English.
Guys.
This bro only know. Guys, hello guys. And that kids are wow.
Beautiful.
This bro is.
Look, there is fantabulous word in English. See, fantabulous.
Wow,
CBSE rocket.
I tell the correct word, okay?
Yes, you are very great.
Yes, thank you.
We all seeing that fantabulous for first time. We don't know anything. What a pretty. Lot of that English boys are fighting over there. Okay, they are talking Pacha Malayalam and calling daddy, your daddy, my daddy, full daddy call. Daddy cool and one boy is going with the escaping of football. Oh, they are calling first in the push. What is that? Okay. Oh God. Okay, parents enter, problem solved. That is okay.